Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 keyboard. This mechanical gaming keyboard promises to elevate your gaming experience with durable build quality, customizable RGB lighting, and responsive keys. Let's dive into what makes this keyboard a must-have for gamers. Design and build quality. Design. The ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 features a sleek, minimalistic design with an aircraft-grade aluminum top plate that ensures both durability and a premium feel. The compact design is perfect for gamers who want a keyboard that doesn't take up too much space on their desk, but still delivers in performance. Build quality. Built to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions, the K3 Gen 2 is designed to be tough. The keyboard is also spill-resistant, which adds an extra layer of protection against accidental spills during gameplay. Switches and key feel. Mechanical switches. The K3 Gen 2 is equipped with high-quality mechanical switches that offer a tactile and responsive key press. These switches are designed for gaming, ensuring each keystroke is registered accurately and quickly. They are also rated for durability, promising a long lifespan even with heavy use. Key feel. The keyboard provides a satisfying tactile feedback with each key press, making it ideal for both gaming and typing. The keycaps are made from durable materials that resist wear and tear, ensuring they stay legible over time. N-key rollover. The keyboard supports N-key rollover, meaning every keystroke is registered no matter how many keys are pressed simultaneously. This is crucial for fast-paced gaming where multiple key commands are often used at once. Customizable RGB lighting. One of the standout features of the TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 is its customizable RGB lighting. Each key is individually backlit, allowing you to customize the lighting effects to match your gaming setup or mood. Aura Sync compatibility. The keyboard is compatible with ASUS Aura Sync, allowing you to synchronize lighting effects with other compatible devices for a unified look. You can choose from a variety of lighting modes, including static, breathing, and reactive, to create your own unique gaming ambiance. Software and customization. TUF Gaming software. The K3 Gen 2 can be customized using ASUS's TUF Gaming software, which allows you to remap keys, set up macros, and adjust the RGB lighting. The software is user-friendly and provides a range of options for personalization. Macro support. Gamers can set up macros for complex in-game commands, making it easier to execute multi-step actions with a single key press. This feature is especially useful in competitive gaming scenarios where speed and precision are crucial. Connectivity, wired connection. The TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 connects via a detachable USB-C cable, providing a stable and responsive connection with minimal latency. The detachable cable also adds to the portability of the keyboard, making it easier to pack and carry. USB pass-through. The keyboard includes a USB pass-through port, allowing you to connect other peripherals like a mouse or headset directly to the keyboard, reducing clutter on your desk. Additional features. Function keys. The keyboard includes dedicated function keys that provide quick access to essential controls like volume adjustment, media playback, and lighting effects. This makes it easier to control various aspects of your system without leaving your game. Wrist rest. The K3 Gen 2 comes with a detachable wrist rest that provides added comfort during long gaming sessions. The wrist rest is ergonomically designed to reduce strain on your wrists, helping to prevent fatigue. Durability. With its durable construction, spill resistance, and high-quality switches, the TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 is built to last. It's designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily gaming, making it a reliable choice for serious gamers. Price and value. Price. The ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 is positioned as a mid-range gaming keyboard, offering a balance of performance, durability, and features at a competitive price. Value. For gamers who want a high-quality mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank, the K3 Gen 2 offers excellent value. Its durable build, customizable features, and responsive performance make it a solid investment for any gaming setup. Conclusion. The ASUS TUF Gaming K3 Gen 2 keyboard is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a durable, customizable, and responsive keyboard. With its mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, and robust build quality, it's designed to enhance your gaming experience while standing up to the demands of intense gameplay. Thanks for watching. and we will see you in the next video.